खुशी जाता अंडर जिल्हा पंचायत फंड हांगा जयराम नगर हांगा रोड वायडनिंगाचे काम चालू केलेले आसा आणि हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमचे गोंयचे पंचायत मिनिस्टर बाब मोविन कुदिनो जेंका लागून आयज हांव जिल्हा पंचायत मेंबर जावंक पावलें तशेंच आमचे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे आमचे धानवडे सर जे प्रेसिडेंट आसात तशेंच आमचे चीफ मिनिस्टर बाब प्रमोद सावंत हेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांच्या आदारान आयज हांव जिल्हा पंचायत जावन हे सगळें काम करूंक पावलेलें आसा जिल्हा पंचायती अंडर सदांच म्हणटा की कमी फंड्स आसात आणि काय करपाक मेळना पूण जे कितें फंड्स आसा त्याच्या अंडर आमी जाता तितलें काम केलें आसा फुटसाल ग्राउंड केलेले आसा मागीर वॉटर पंप बसयले आसा कितलेशे ओपन स्पेस डेव्हलप केलेले आसा वॉकिंग ट्रॅक केलेले आसा मागीर आयज पळयला तुम्ही रोड वायडनिंगय केलेले आसा सो खंयचेच क्षेत्र सोडूंक ना सो जितले कितें फंड मेळटा तितले तो लोकां खातीर यूज करपाचो प्रयत्न केलेलो आसा त्याच पद्दतीन लोकांक जे ग्रुप्स आसात महिला ग्रुप्स आसात तांकां आमी स्विंग मशीन दिलेले आसा त्याच पद्दतीन स्पोर्ट्स किट्स दिलेले आसा लोकांक त्याच पद्दतीन थोडेशे आमचे टेम्पल्स आसा तांकां चेअर्स दिलेले आसा मागीर साऊंड सिस्टम दिलेले आसा बेंचेस दिलेले आसा कितल्याशा कॉलनीक सो जाता तितलो फंड दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केलेलो आसा लोकांक आणि ह्याच्या फुडें जर संधी मेळत जाल्यार त्याचे ह्याच्याहूनय चड आनीक कामां जाताली देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमचे पंचायत मिनिस्टर आमचे बाब मोविन कुदिनो की ते आयज मुद्दाम टायम काडून हांगा ह्या बारीकशा प्रोग्रामाक आयले देव बरें करूं.
Now you have seen two works that have been launched here. One is commissioning of the transformer, and before the commissioning of the transformer, enhancement of the transformer from 100 kVA to 200 kVA, which will solve the problem as far as the voltage is concerned. Better lighting, better street lighting, and better ambience for the people. Jairam Nagar, as you have seen, it is growing from strength to strength in terms of having more amenities, having more facilities, having more people coming to live here and preferring to live here. It is becoming one of the poshest area in my constituency, and rightly so. When expectations of the people rise, you have to see that you live up to the expectation, whether in terms of electricity, road or water supply. Along with this work, we have seen in this constituency or in this particular area, whether it is Chikalim or Sankwal, which is part of Sankwal Zilla, Anita Thorat has taken the initiative for several programs. One of the program today was getting a road done, where road widening done out of Zilla funds. This is a rare thing what is happening, because in other places they are not able to do as many works. So it is a first in Dabolim constituency. I compliment her for doing this work, as well as I thank the electricity department, Mr. Vikram Karekar, his entire band of junior engineers and the staff. They are always cooperative and getting things done fast. Also, my thanks to the Power Minister, Sudhin Daulikar, and Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant for always providing the necessary funds for carrying out all the developments in the entire constituency.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.